764.
Hi, my name is Nur Chazwani. My metric number is 2024261403.
Hi, my name is Nushairah binti Baharudin. My matrix number is 2024289292.
We are from
Diploma of Science Mathematics.
Hi, I'm gonna introduce you to geometry in our daily life. So, geometry is a branch of mathematics that studies size, shapes, and properties of figures and spaces. It also deals with concepts like points, lines, angles, surfaces, and solids, enabling us to analyze and describe both 2D and 3D objects. The purpose of study is to explore the geometrical properties of ice cream cones and box tissues. The second one is to understand how shapes like cones and rectangles are used in real-life products. And lastly, to analyze their volume in practical applications. Geometry shapes that involved in cones are circular base, curved surface, and pointed ends, while in box tissues are 6 rectangular faces, straight edges, and right angles. The connections between shapes and practical use different geometric shapes, cones and rectangles serve specific functional purpose in product designs. For example, the cone shape of an ice cream cone allows easy handling and minimize melting drips. And for the rectangular prism of a tissue box provides efficient stocking and storage.
In geometry, the study of three-dimensional shapes like cone and cuboid plays a crucial role in various applications, ranging from engineering and architecture to everyday problem solving. These shapes not only appear frequently in the real world, but also serve as foundational concept for understanding more complex structure and design. Key properties of these shapes, such as volume and surface area, are essential for determining their size, capacity, and efficiency in practical scenarios. A cone is a three-dimensional geometric shape with a circular base and a single vertex, tapering smoothly from the base to the tip. Cones are commonly seen in objects such as ice cream and traffic cone. To calculate the volume of a cone, the formula is 1/3 pi r square h, where r represents the radius of the circular base and h is the height of the cone measured perpendicularly from the base to the vertex. The surface area of a cone consists of the area of its circular base and the curved surface area given by pi r square plus pi rl, where L is the slant height of or the distance from the vertex to a point on the edge of the base. This combination of a curved and flat surface gives the cone its unique structure. In contrast, a cuboid is a rectangular prism with 6 flat faces, each of which is a rectangle. This shape is one of the most commonly encountered in daily life, as it forms the structure of a box, building furniture, and many other objects. Each face of the cuboid meets the adjacent faces at right angle. The volume of a cuboid is straightforward to calculate using the formula L multiply W multiply H, where L, W, and H are the cuboid length, width, and height, respectively. The surface area of the cuboid is the sum of the area of all 6 rectangular faces given by the formula 2 open bracket LW plus LH plus WH close bracket. What a perfect day. The sun is shining, the birds are singing. I cannot wait for estimation.
Here, I was just thinking about how ice cream on a day like this is the best thing ever.
Oh, I just realized something cool. Have you ever thought about how the shape of ice cream could help us to enjoy it even more?
The shape of ice cream cone? What do you mean?
Actually, no. Does geometry involve everything around us has some geometry if you look closely? Take an ice cream cone as an example.
Geometry in ice cream? Now that's something I have to hear.
Wow!
Look closely. This cone isn't just a random shape. It is a cone, a 3D geometry shape. If you look closely, you can see there is a circle at the bottom and It narrows as it rises to the top as the point.
So the cone is a geometric shape, but why does it have to be this way? Why not just a cup?
Good question. The conical shape is actually really practical. The circular base helps hold the ice cream, and the narrowing tip makes it easy to hold. You can grip the cone without worrying about it slipping or getting too messy.
Oh, and it's also easier to eat. The cross-lated cells help to distribute the weight of the ice cream. It doesn't topple over when you take a bite.
And don't forget how the cone directs the ice cream to our mouth. The angle is just perfect.
I never thought about all that. I always just grab and eat.
This is a cone.
Show me how you care. Tell me how you love before. Show me how you smile.
Alright, now let's talk about it. Does anyone know what shape is this?
I know. This is a rectangular prism, right? It has 6 rectangular faces. It has at the top, bottom, 2 sides, and front and back.
Rectangular prism? What's that?
It's just the fancy name for a box with rectangular sides. It is super practical though. Its flat faces make it easy to store and stack, unlike a round box, which would be harder to storage.
See how the straight sides let it fit neatly in the corner or shelf is efficient of terms of space. And the rectangular design helps with grabbing tissue one by one. The opening is just the right size.
To find the surface area cone, the formula is pi r square plus pi rl. R equal to 8/2, then you got 4 cm. L, we have to use theorem Pythagoras, so L equal to 17.46. Then substitute the value into the formula, so the answer is 269.67 centimeters square. Find the surface area cuboid. The formula is 2 open bracket L multiply W plus L multiply H plus W multiply H close bracket, where L equal to 20 cm, W equal to 11 cm, H equal to 7 cm. Then substitute the value into the formula, so the answer is 874 centimeters square. To calculate the volume of cone, the formula is V equal to 1/3 pi r square H, where R equal to 8/2, X is diameter, radius is half of the diameter, so radius equal to 4 cm, height equal to 17 cm. Then substitute the value into the formula, so the answer is 248.84 centimeter cube. To calculate the volume of cuboid, the formula is V equal to L multiply W multiply H, where L equal to 20 cm, W equal to 11 cm, height equal to 7 cm. Then substitute the value into the formula, so the answer is 1540 centimeter cube.
We have already seen how geometry plays a role in everyday items, like the cone-shaped ice cream cone and cuboid tissue box. But besides those examples, there are plenty of other items in our daily life that also feature the same shape. Let's take a look at 2 more common objects with familiar geometric shape, the party hat and present box. First, let's take a look at the party hat. Much like the ice cream cone, the party hat is shaped like a cone. In fact, its design uses the same geometry, but here the cone serves a completely different purpose. It adds a fun, festive element to any celebration. As with the ice cream cone, party hat has 3 key measurements, which is the radius of the base, the height, and the slant height, which is the distance from the top of the cone to the edge of the base. This dimension helps determine how the hat fits on our head and how much material is needed to make it. To calculate the surface area of the party hat, we use the formula S pi r plus pi r square, which combines the area of the base and the lateral surface area. Geometry helps us understand how much material is used to create the surface area, ensuring the party hat look just right for the celebration. Next, let's look at the present box, which also has a familiar geometric shape, the rectangular prism or cuboid. Like the tissue box we discussed earlier, present box is cuboid, but its geometry serves a different purpose: packaging and storing gifts. A rectangular prism has 3 key dimensions: length, width, and height. To calculate the volume of the box, we use the formula. And to find out how much wrapping paper we need, we calculate the surface area using this formula. By calculating the surface area and volume, we know exactly how much paper to use and how much space gift occupies. The same geometric principles we use for the tissue box help us optimize packaging and design for a variety of items. So, the next time you put on the party hat or wrap a gift, remember that geometry is at work, helping everything fit together just right.
In conclusion, learning geometry is very important in our life because we can know more about size, shape, angle, and also how things fit in our life. For example, you can see it in building, nature, and also in art. Learning geometry also will help us to improve our thinking skill and also problem solving, that making it more useful for both everyday life and also bigger projects. Last but not least, understanding geometry also will help us to make a better decision and create new ideas in the future.